In this video I will show you how to view your Instagram insights on your iPhone. First, open up the Instagram app. Then tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right. Next, tap on these three lines at the top right corner. And then tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll all the way to the bottom. Now, to access insights, you first have to switch your account to a professional account. Tap where it says Account Type and Tools. Select Switch to Professional Account. And then tap Continue for all of these. And then select the category and tap Done. Select anything from these two options. Now tap on these three lines at the top right. And now here it's option Insights. Tap on it. That is how you can view your Instagram insights on your iPhone.